Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about the next exercise of page number 220. Question number 1 is, what determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current? Now this question you have to tell the name of the physical quantity which determines the speed at which energy is delivered by a current. Rate का मतलब क्या होता है फिजिक्स की लैंग्वेज में? स्पीड. Okay. So the answer is electric power, or you can say power. Okay, this is a one more answer. Clear? Next question number 2. An electric motor takes 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and the energy consumed in 2 hours. Now in this question, first it is given here electric current which is flowing in a motor is 5 amperes. Clear? Potential difference that is V is 220 volts, and first we have to find the power of the electric motor, and then we have to find the electrical energy consumed in 2 hours. And the time is given 2. So first you will find the power. In terms of V and I, it is V into I. Generally power के कितने फॉर्म है? 4 है. First is power is equal to work done upon time taken. Then in terms of electric power, the first form is V into I. Then second is V square upon R, and third form is I square R. Okay, so क्योंकि यहाँ पे V and I given है, so we have to use the first form. Now what is the voltage given here? 220 into electric current is 5. So when you will multiply 5 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 1100 watts. And that we will convert into kilowatts. So for that we have to divide it by 1000. So power is 1.1 kilowatts. Here you can mention that since 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watts. Clear? Okay, now coming to the exercises of page number 221. From question number 1 to question number 4, these are the MCQs that you have to solve in your book only. Okay? First of all, you can solve in your rough copy, roughly, and you can tick mark the correct answers in your book. Okay? Now coming to the next question number 5. How is a voltmeter connected in the circuit to measure the potential difference between the 2 points? Now voltmeter, it has a high resistance, that is why we have to connect it in the parallel combination. Clear? So voltmeter is connected in parallel combination. Because it has a high resistance. Great. And to decrease the resistance, how we have to connect? We have to connect in the parallel combination. Question number 6 and 7 that we have done already. Question number 8 is, when a 12-volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance of the resistor. Okay, now in this question, we have a 12-volt battery which is connected with the unknown resistor, and the current through that resistor is flowing 2.5 milliampere. We have to find the value of resistance R of that resistor. So first of all, write down the given values. Potential difference of a battery is 12 volts. Electric current is 2.5 milliamperes. Now here the current is given in milliamperes, so for that we have to convert into ampere. In 1 milliampere we have 10 raised to the power minus 3 amperes. Okay, that you can mention here. 1 milliampere is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 amperes. Clear? Now we have to find the resistance R. Okay, what is the formula of Ohm's law? V is equal to IR, and since we have to find R resistance, so we will get the formula here as R is equal to V upon I. What is the value of V? 12 divided by electric current is 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Removing the decimal, you will get 1 0 in the numerator, or it is 120 upon 25, and this 10 raised to the power minus 3 we can take it to the numerator, or we can write as 120 into 1000 divided by 25. Dividing 1000 by 25, 25 ones are 25 fours are is 100 and 1 0. 12 fours are 48 and 2 zeros. That is 4800 ohms. Clear? Okay, now next question number 9th. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohms, 0.3 ohms, 0.4 ohms, 0.5 ohms and 12 ohms respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? Now in this question here, the potential difference of a battery is given 9 volts. There are 5 resistors which are connected in series. R1 is 0.2 ohms, R2 is 0.3 ohms, R3 is 0.4 ohms, R4 is 0.5 ohms and R5 is 12 ohms. And we have to find the current passing through the 12 ohm resistor. Okay, so first you will find the total current in the circuit, because we know that in series the current of the whole circuit is equal to the current flowing through each resistor. So first you will find the total resistance for finding the total current of the circuit. Now for finding the total resistance, we are having the 5 resistors and these are connected in series. So we will write here, since resistors are connected in series. Therefore, what is the formula for the total resistance in the series combination? That is R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. So you will put the values, that is 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4 plus 0 0.5 plus 12. 0 0.2, 0 0.3 is 0 0.5, 0 0.5 and 0 0.4 is 0 0.9, and 0 0.9 and 0 0.5 is 1.4, and plus 12 you will get 13.4 ohms. So this is the total resistance of the whole circuit in the series combination. Now you will find the total current. What is the formula of electric current? In terms of V and R, it is V upon R. What is the value of V? It is 9 divided by 13.4. Removing the decimal, you will get 90 dividing by 2, 45 is 267 is. So on dividing, you will get here 0.67 amperes. Therefore, the current is 0.67 amperes. Okay. But we will find the current through the resistor 12 ohm. So we can write here the statement: since the current through the resistors in series is same as the current of the whole circuit. Therefore, the current through 12 ohm resistor is how much? 0.67 amperes.